Hey, third grade, we are going to be continuing reviewing perimeter and area as you guys are working through your Design a House project. I'm going to go through a couple of perimeter cards and then you guys will have the chance to just keep on working through your project. Today, you guys have 2 days left for your project, so it's really important that you are getting it done. And I hope that you are almost done with this. You should be on the last couple of slides, going back and just checking your work if necessary. Okay, so let's look at this first card. It says, Coach Daniel said to aim for the black rectangle on the backboard when making a shot. What is the perimeter of that rectangle? Okay, Coach Daniel said to aim for the black rectangle on the backboard when making a shot. What is the perimeter of that rectangle? Well, what we're looking for is this rectangle right here. Okay, so I'm looking for just this, all right? And I know that one side is 24 inches, and because this is a rectangle, this means that the opposite side is going to be what? Good. Oops. Because that side is 24 inches, the opposite side is also going to be 24 inches. Because this is 18 inches, this side is going to be what? 18 inches. Good. And that's because the opposite sides of rectangles are congruent or are equal. Good job. Opposite sides of rectangles are equal. All right. What is the perimeter of that rectangle? Well, when we're finding perimeter, what do we do? Good. When we're finding perimeter, we add up all of the sides. So here I'm going to add up 24 plus 24 plus 18 plus 18. Okay, 24 plus 24 plus 18 plus 18. All right, so I'm going to add 24 and I'm going to do my base 10 blocks plus 24. All right, when I add, I start adding in my ones place. So I'm going to add my ones first. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I have 10, 20, 30, 40, which is a 4 in my tens place. So 48. And then I'm going to add my 18 plus 18. Okay? $18, 1, that's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I can do 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I start adding, what place value do I start adding in? Good, I'm going to start adding in my ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I get 10 ones, what do I do? Good, I regroup to my tens place. And then I have 6 ones left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10, 20, 30, which is a 3 in my tens place. Now I'm going to add 48 plus 36. And I'm going to break these apart, which is 40 plus 8, 30 plus 6. Okay? 6 plus 8 is? Good, 14. 14. What am I going to do with that? What am I going to do with that, the 1 in my tens place? What am I going to do with that 10? Good, I'm going to regroup it. Okay. Then I have 10 plus 40 is 50. 50 plus 30 is 80. Good job. 80 plus 4 equals 84. All right. Very good job. Okay, let's do another one. All right. The Rambo family just bought a new flat screen TV. They bought one that was 2 inches longer and 2 inches taller than the one pictured below. What is the perimeter of their new TV? This is the TV that they did have. They bought a new one. That one is 2 inches longer and 2 inches taller. So how are we going to figure out the dimensions of our new TV? Good. You're going to add 2 inches to 28. What is that? 30. And then you're going to add 2 inches to 48. What is that? Good job. 50. So that means the new TV, the length and width is 30 inches and 50 inches. Okay? So now, what is this side going to be? Good. This side is going to be 30 inches. And what is this side going to be? Good. 50 inches. And remember, to find perimeter, what do we do? Awesome. We add up all of the sides. So I'm going to add up 50 plus 50 plus 30 plus 30. 50 plus 50 is 100. Awesome. And 30 plus 30 is 60. 100 plus 60 equals 160 inches. Awesome, awesome job. Just a reminder, I hope that you guys are working through this project. Hopefully, you guys are on this last part. You have plenty of time to get it done. You're going to be using this example to answer these questions. So you're going to use slide 7 to answer slide 6. I really hope that this is where you are in the project. If not, you're right here at the bonus, and you're just finding the perimeter and area of each object or each piece of furniture. Even if you do not have that piece of furniture in your house, I still want you to find the perimeter and area for that piece of furniture so you can move it into the grid of your house to help you do that, and then you can remove it when you're done. And then for 6, you're going to use slide 7 to answer those questions. Remember, if you guys are needing any help or have any questions, please just send me an email, shoot me a message, and I can make sure that I get on and help you with those.